So Wait was a free claim that we created for people who wanted to be involved in monetizing the length of time that it took to for PulseChain to launch. So it was a little bit of a meme token. It was a little bit of a way to gamify the launch of PulseChain. That project has since concluded. It stopped being useful about a month after the claim phase and minting Wait is all ended. It happened about a month after PulseChain launched. Wait, however, is used in Coast. So you can utilize any Wait that you got from the free claim or from the minting of your midnight bonus. And you can use Wait that you've got through either of those methods or from buying on chain to reduce your fees in the fiat on-ramp. So you can get all the way from 4% all the way down to 1%. If you're using fiat to mint CST. It also has a benefit over on the Ethereum side. You can lock your Ethereum Wait to get from stablecoins into fiat in Coast much faster and cheaper. If we ever release CST on Ethereum, not currently in the roadmap, but if we ever were to, Ethereum-based Wait would also be used for discounts over there as well for minting CST on Ethereum. So yeah, we sort of tied it into Coast. It wasn't a natural fit necessarily, but we had some discussions with our securities attorneys about, different ways to create value for Wait holders. We hypothesized that maybe there could be some mechanism that allowed you to stake your Wait and earn fees from the fiat on-ramp. Unfortunately, things like that probably go a little bit too close to being securities to make us comfortable with doing them. I know some other products out there who have similar features, which is cool, but it's just not something that we were prepared to do. The same way we weren't prepared, to do a sacrifice phase. So everything you see from Coast is self-funded. We don't have like big VC operations. We're not beholden to anybody else in that way. We also didn't ask for a cent from the community. We've done all of this from scratch ourselves. Which we're pretty proud of, frankly. So that's how Wait turned out. It's a completed project at this point. It's used for discounts, and you're welcome to buy it or not, I suppose.